You know the feeling you're halfway through a digital SAT module, the clock's ticking and you hit a question that just freezes you. You burn 2 minutes on one question, and now your pacing is shot. The digital SAT is relentless. You jump from a poem to a science study to a historical text all in minutes. If you're running out of time, I get it. I used to be stuck around a 680 and I couldn't break 700. It was frustrating. This is the system that helped me break through that plateau and finally get the 750 I needed. The secret isn't reading faster. It's having a plan for every question type. The biggest mistake students make is reading the passage cold, then the question, then the answers. That's the slow way. Top scorers know what they're looking for before they start reading. Step 1. Question first. This is simple, but it's a game changer. Read the question before you touch the passage. The question is your mission. It turns passive reading into an active search. Step 2. The quick triage. Once you have your mission, you have to be decisive. As soon as a question appears, take a few seconds to read it, glance at the text and ask, do I see the path to the answer? If it's a clear yes, solve it. If not, flag it and move on immediately. One hard question isn't worth the time you could spend on 3 easier ones. The flag button is your best friend. Step 3. See through the traps now for the inference questions. The ones with words like suggests or implies that feel subjective. Here's the secret. There are no subjective answers on the SAT. Every correct answer is provable with direct evidence from the text. It's a logical step, not a creative leap. For example, if the text says, the town, once bustling with a dozen factories, now had only one operational mill. A trap answer is, the town's residents were happier in the past. You can't prove happiness. The correct answer is, the town experienced an economic decline. It's directly supported by the math. A dozen factories down to 1. How do you find that proof fast? Work backward. Your goal isn't to prove one answer is right, it's to prove 3 are wrong. Find the flaw, kill the answer. So let's put it all together in your 2-wave attack. Wave 1, the sweep. Your mission is speed. Go through all 27 questions and answer everything that's easy for you. If a question makes you pause, flag it and move on. Just bank the points you know you can get. Wave 2, the cleanup. Go back to your flagged questions. With most of your points secure, you can attack these 3 to 5 tough questions with your full attention. So, to recap, 1 question first, to find your mission. 2. Triage to flag and skip anything that isn't an easy point. 3. Work backwards on trap questions to find proof and eliminate wrong answers. If you're serious about hitting your goal score, subscribe for more tips. You've got this.